Right, and we are back for another episode of Chainsaw Man. First of all, apologies. I just finished editing um, the episode where Eye Patch Girl dies, and I didn't even realize. I don't know how the audio got corrupted. When I was editing it, I swear I could hear myself, but when I was checking it out on YouTube, my voice there was no voice, right? It was just an actual episode. I mean, thankfully, at least that had some audio, but I'm definitely gonna like triple, quadruple check from now on that the audio is working. I mean, it seems to, I mean, right now it looks like it's good, but we'll see. Um, Last episode, even more craziness. I don't know how much more crazy you can get. Eye Patch Girl with her last breath, activated Denji, humongous battle, just like I have no idea what to think of the power scaling. Whenever I think I have it figured out, it just kind of gets like one upped, and then once again, and then once again, and then once again, and it's kind of just like, damn, you know. Um, Definitely, every episode that passes, we get more ominous vibes from Makima. I mean, we never really trusted her to begin with. She seemed manipulative, like right from the get go, but she seems to have. I don't. So we didn't get an explanation of what kind of devil she has or what kind of contract she made. They actually made it a point that no one knows, or like only a couple people know, what her actual ability is. All I know is that the little lolly girls seem to be afraid of Makima, as well as um, have we? I don't think we've been clarified on whether he's a machete devil or just like a katana devil or something like that. But yeah, so let's see who died last episode. The old man next to Makima, I think, was verified dead. Um, the simp next to Crazy Girl was dead. Eye Patch dead, and I think that's it, right? Well, I mean, I'm sure. Actually, those other characters that I was really happy to have met in the restaurant died. Lame, but whatever, I guess. I didn't realize they'd be fodder. Like, whatever. And we got introduced to a new group, and um, a lot of things. Like, I don't want to like waste too much more time. I just kind of like want to jump right back into it. So I believe this is episode 9 or episode 10. We'll see. Chainsaw Man. Yeah. So this is episode 10, titled "Bruised and Battered."
昨日午後、練馬駅前の練馬西大ビルで公安のデビルハンターによる大規模な戦闘が行われました。
Mhm.
しかし
Oh
相手は
boy, was it
悪
ever a
魔だ
large
けでなく
scale
人
battle?
間だとの目撃情報もあり、詳細は未だはっきりとは判明して。
やかましいわ。
See, like, why is Aki gotta look like literally every other character in this series, man? His defining feature is his ponytail. And it's just like a tiny little thing, too. What the heck? I know he has the hair to have a better ponytail than that.
おいウヌ、そのリンゴよこせ。食わせろ。
ダメだ。全部折れんだ。敵から逃げたやつに食わせるリンゴはね。
逃げたんじゃない。お腹が空いたから帰っただけじゃ。
I was wondering, like, where she went off to. Like, what the heck?
なる
なんじゃ。
四川四川、
Mhm.
誰が生き残ってる？
Yeah, crazy girl. And us.
小紅ってチビとメガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけど、公安辞めたんだと。
Oh, yeah.
俺とパワコはマキマさんに呼ばれてるから帰るぜ。
見舞いの果物を
Howie?
食いに来ただ
Okay.
けじゃ。
They're on a nickname basis, huh? What would Aki's nickname be? Ah?
リンゴ一個だけ残しといてやるよ。じゃあな。
I'll leave you one. Wasn't the basket for him? Oh, well, damn. All right, just leave your mess everywhere. Oh, that's right. Eye Patch was a close friend of his. He's probably hella broken up about it. Understandably so.
カス、俺はあと何年生きれる？
Whoa. 2 years, eh? Damn. Anxiety triggered. Like, what the hell? Just 2 years. Oh, yeah, I mean, fuck it. You're gonna die in 2 years anyway. What? Oh, he's in Remember Eye Patch? Yeah. It's alright, man. Let it out. Sure, I didn't like her, but understandably you did. It's alright, man. Fucking Denji.
忘れた
Howie,
漫
do
画
you
取り
hear
に戻っ
this?
たら泣いてんだけど、まあそりゃ泣くよな。大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし、
Well,
バディの
he's
姫
only
も
crying
死んだ
about
わ
one
け
of
だ
them.
しな。あれ？ん？
He's like, wait a second.
全然泣けねえんだけど。
I'm sad too.
ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったな。
Yeah, because Pochita was awesome.
でも姫の死んでも。
We didn't know her at all. You didn't know her at all
初め
either.
て友達になろうっつってくれた人なのに、俺ひどくね。
Oh,
パワーが死んだら泣けるか。
that's true, huh?
泣けねえかな。
She's the first person that actually openly called him friend.
泣けねえな。マキマさんが死んだら。
Well, now I'm sad. What the hell? I didn't even realize that.
マキマさんが死んだら、多分俺はしばらくへこむけど、3日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてると思うな。
Yeah.
だって朝昼
I mean,
晩
you can't be sad forever, right?
風呂入れりゃ俺最高だもん。
You gotta try to, push past it. Even if it is
心臓だ
hard.
けじゃなく、人の心までなくなっちまったのか。
Or it's like, well, this dude's touching himself all over.
楽しくねえこと考えても楽しくねえだけだからな。さっさとマキマさんに会いに行こう。
憂鬱じゃ。
Oh, it's the new characters.
失礼します。
どうも。
Aki, were you
あ
crying?
れ泣いてた。
Yeah.
一回うちら出てく。
なんだお前ら。
私たちマキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
そのリンゴ食べていいですか？
Damn.
指導？
What's with the apples?
ホテル事件と今回ので
When she was first introduced, and kind of in the intro, I kind of got the sense that Power was going to be like,
だから4課
an
を
actual
強化しようと思って
powerhouse of the team, but
ほとんど
she
知っちゃ
kind
っ
of
た
hasn't
ね
really done anything. She's just very loud and says she's
残
going
念
to
だけ
do
ど
stuff,
私は忙しくなっ
but
ちゃ
she
うから
doesn't.
適任を紹介するね。君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
Man, what's up with this cemetery? We're always here.
彼の名前は
Oh, it's the dude, the blonde dude
俺の質問に答
from the
え
intro.
仲間が死んでどう思った？
別に
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも
I could take it or
お
leave
前
it.
たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
Aren't they devils?
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
お前たち100点だ。
あ
Huh?
お前たちみたいのはめったにいない。素晴らしい。
They seem like
大好きだ。
buffoons.
怖い。
マキマ、お前は帰れ。今すぐこいつらは指導だ。
じゃああとはよろしく。
マキマさん。
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。
We hug around
先
here.
生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んでくれ。好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
3 facts of life. What?
きれい。
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を折れば動けなくなる。人間様と違うのは
血の匂いじゃ。
Oh, that's right. They
潮
heal.
の目で復活するとこだな。
More better. Okay.
何しやがるてめえ。
マキマにお前たちを鍛えてくれと頼まれた。
Uh-huh.
お前の心臓がなぜか知らんが銃の悪魔に狙われている。
Why is he so important? Everyone knows about the Chainsaw Man, even though he was just created.
なんでさっきわしらを締めた。
俺は人間を鍛えたことはあ
He
るが
doesn't seem all that powerful,
お前たち
honestly.
みたいな悪魔は一度もない。酔った俺はどうしようかと考えた。そしてアルコールにやられた脳でついにひらめいた。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから、お前たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで俺はお前た
A
ち
little
を
bit full of
狩り続
himself,
け
ain't
る。
he?
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
も
じゃあ再開だ。
う酔ったじじいでも殺しちまったら逮捕だ。
Drunk old bastard or not.
デンジ。
Oh god. I'm like, we're kind of used to seeing Denji get fucked up. Not so much power.
男の方は不死身。
Okay, Mr.
魔
Krabs.
人の方は半分。とっさに人の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持っていて、二人に人権はない。俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。だから壊れないおもちゃが欲し
Too
かっ
much muscle. I didn't know what to do with
た。
it.
俺がお前たちを最高に
Now I'm a
生かしたや
jerk
つらに
and
してや
everyone
る。
loves me. Oh, cool. They formed a little heart.
コン
ほら出てけえへんやろ。
Oh,
君
so
は
does he have
狐
like
を無茶
two
に使って
devils then?
嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。その刀も呪いの悪魔のやつやろ。それもあとどれくらい使えんの。
指導ってのはそういうことか。
お察しが良くて助かる。
私たちは得意課にいる人間組のキャリア相談に来ました。不謹慎やけど今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど、実際君の課の人が一人民間に行ったし。
I mean,
続
2
けるなら
years.
続けるで、それなりの覚悟を
What
君にはしても
what
らう
else are you gonna do? You know?
覚悟。
そう、覚悟。
やめへんなら もっと強い悪魔と契約して得意化に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。
Hmm.
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？
そうですか。わかりました。
Dude's like, ha, that's exactly what I wanted to
じ
hear.
ゃあ今日はもう遅いんで帰りますわ。明日また来て書類とか持ってきます。ケオトン先輩の言葉はほんまでしたわ。
What do you mean?
得意化にはまともなやつはいい品から気をつけろってね。
Yeah, they're all pretty damn crazy, ain't they?
もうちょっと自分を客観的に見た方がいいですよ。
And they let him keep his apple.
女性のお客さん来てますよ。
Who?
じゃ
Makima?
ごゆっくり。
Crazy girl? Who's that? Crazy girl, right? Will we ever find out?
明
Who
日家に
knows?
迎えに行くからな。
This dude's a regular Piccolo. What the hell?
また頭が故障しておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ
What the hell? Ouch.
俺は今日何回殺された？
What the hell was that?
10回以上じゃ。ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから正確にはわからん。あのじじい強すぎじゃ。
Hmm.
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくねえぞ。
Was that like
楽しく
his
なるために
real
頑張ってきたの
emotions coming out?
楽しくなくて頑張るの
And this
それ
calmness is
一
just
緒
like a
に逃
front?
げるか？
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって今度こそ本当に
So you're
俺た
sick
ち
of
は
dying?
悪魔扱いじゃねえ。
Over and over again? Damn.
あのアルチェ野郎、俺たちをおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。だんだんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
わかった。
何が？
Let's
あいつを
run.
倒す方
Oh,
法じゃ。
okay.
あいつは超強いが。じゃが、酒で頭がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
なるほどな。俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいなってよ。
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
なんか俺すげえ頭良くなってきた気がするぜ。
うぬもか。わし
Wait,
はもう
wait.
100個思いついたぞ。
When Eye Patch Girl was trying to, you know, do this minor,
わしらが遊んで
she went like that and she said something. Was she talking about power? When
あい
she's
つらの家は確か
what did she say?
この血の匂いは来たな、アルチュージジイ。
俺たちの日常を壊すやつ。
Yep, that's how glasses work. Plus 20 intellect.
超インテリ作戦開始
Damn,
じ
she does look like a librarian though.
おお、忍ぶ気か。頭狙ってきやがった。待ち伏せしやがって、今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな。
mean, he doesn't even really need to punch though, does he? He already launched it. He's kind of just showing off. Ugh. Hey man, those were expensive.
今までで一番良かったぞ。追い詰められた獲物は頭を使うもんだな。もっと頭を使え。今回の敗因は2つ。パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧血になることと、デンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。
I'm kind of disappointed in how weak power
今
is.
回は良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
パーか。
Like
もう終わりだって。
when she first came out and the bat kidnapped her cat, one of my first questions was like, hey, why don't you just kill the bat? He seems pretty weak. But I guess even then power is weaker.
はい。
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思うんですけど
What the heck is this, dude?
俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ。
Like, hey, couldn't we just make a regular elevator? What- Did we really have to spend all this money?
身を守る武器は必要やろ。
ここには公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちがぶち込まれてる。
Oh.
ここで武器を見つけましょう。
Kind of like an Arkham. Super quiet though.
関係ないっすけど、昨日の美人、彼女さんですか？
すぐそういう話やめな。
Maybe he's interested.
バディの妹の方です。
あらら。じゃあ殴られました？
What?
いえ、
What?
手紙をもらいました。
手紙？
Oh, okay, so we do find out who that person was. Letters?
それは私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙です。あなたが読むべきなのでお渡しします。
It's like I can't read this. Is that feeling any better? The job pays pretty well, so don't worry about sending food or anything. I'm more worried about him. I forced Aki to get his ears pierced. If nothing else, we could go private instead of saying public safety. How do I get Aki to quit? I don't think it's a good idea to keep working here. I brought it up, but he brushed it off. I was serious about it too. Why is Aki walking like...
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。いるんは未来の悪魔。公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。
Future
1人は
devil.
寿命半分、もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。気に入られれば安く済みますよ。じゃあどうぞ。
Got him. The betrayals. Okay, so a little bit of a calmer episode this time around, which is cool. It gives us a chance to catch our breath after like the crazy amount of action that's been going on. Um, I mean, nothing too honestly, not really a lot happened. Denji and Power got introduced to trainer, and it was just kind of like their hijinks when trying to take the trainer down. Aki had a lot of focus this episode, but it was more so his grief in losing um, the girl. I forget her name even, but it wasn't even like I don't know, like it wasn't even really that touched upon. And now that I think about it, he just kind of like flickered a memory or two. Not even a memory, or like it was literally just her holding the lighter, right? And you're like, no, I'm sad. Denji actually had a really nice moment afterwards where he's like, wait, how come I don't feel bad about this? Uh, I mean, she's the only person who actually ever wanted to be my friend other than Pochita. Uh, so he's kind of like conflicted on whether or not how he like, he's a shitty person for not feeling that way, or if it like, he's not supposed to feel that way to begin with. Um, Me personally, I would say, I don't know. He doesn't seem like the kind of person that gets latched on to anyone really. So I know when you kind of go through like rough things through most of your life, it's really hard to open up and like get close to someone. Um, I know it took me a while as well. So this dude's 16, right? He's definitely still at that phase where he just doesn't know much about anything about the world. Um, Although he probably thinks he does, right? So uh, I definitely appreciate that sort of reflection, inner reflection, or attempt at, at it anyway. We did see. I think what's happening with him is that after he got messed up by the teacher, and then he started like kind of crying on the floor, and Power looked down at him all disgusted and told him like to stop that. Um, I think if I had to guess, that's how he's really feeling inside. Um, Definitely the deaths they're mounting up, and I can't imagine that he's okay dying all those times, just kind of being seen as expendable, right? He probably feels expendable. He's always in his ass kicked too. Him and Power's so weak. I'm so disappointed. Like I hope she like levels up or something because she was introduced and I thought she was gonna be like the muscle of the group, right? But nope, she's very frail. She's very weak. She's very scared. I don't know what to make of it, but we'll see what happens with Aki and this future devil. Um, the I didn't see what his power was, right? He just kind of looked like Mike Wazowski with the one eyeball. But we'll see what happens. Still, I mean, we knew it couldn't just keep going like crazy, crazy, crazy. We had to like, to let it simmer. We gotta enjoy. And definitely I did enjoy this episode. So that was episode 10 of Chainsaw Man. Please like and subscribe for more reactions and check out my Twitch. I stream regularly at 8:30, so if you need some background sounds while you do laundry or stuff like that, I got you. But for now, my name's Adam. Thank you for checking out Jupiter Machine. And as always, steal credit cards, hurt your loved ones, plant some flowers. Happy holidays, everybody. Until next time, bye bye. Bye bye.